How to create a boomerang effect on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to create a boomerang effect on your very Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find your very Snapchat application on your mobile device. For that, you can scroll left or right until you find the very Snapchat application, or otherwise, you can go to the search icon on your mobile device and then search Snapchat there. Whatever, if you find the very Snapchat application, you have to tap on it and then Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. After Snapchat is launched on your mobile device, you can see an interface like this. Now, if you're an iOS user, if you go to the plus icon on the top side, you can see the option of Boomerang directly. But if you're an Android user like me, you may not find the option of Boomerang directly. Therefore, what you have to do is you have to click a Boomerang effect yourself by just tapping on the circle-like icon on the middle and then creating a boomerang effect by yourself. So if you go to the circle-like icon like this and select a video of a boomerang effect, you can create a boomerang effect there and a boomerang effect video. After you create it, now you have to go to the loop-like icon on the right side and then tap on that. After you tap on the loop-like icon on the right side, now you can see that the boomerang effect is created. So this way you can make it. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.